Welcome to the GoodCarts Mini-Demo. Is your e-commerce store looking for new customers? Would you like free traffic to help make that happen? Yes, free. Better yet, how about new sales with no commissions? As a purpose-driven shop-for-goods store that cares about your impact as well as growing your revenue, would you like to be right here? This is the exclusive GoodCarts discount page that rewards thousands of conscious consumers. You'd be right here, along with our awesome members of the GoodCarts network. So here's how this works. Imagine, from your customer's perspective, that you're at your store. You buy a shirt. You add it to your cart. You complete your order. It's being processed. And here starts the GoodCarts experience. On your purchase confirmation page, the GoodCarts smart technology has inserted a simple little thank you banner. Here's a close-up. As thanks, we are offering you an exclusive discount of your choice from other sustainable and shop-for-goods stores. This text can be customized by each store as well as the color of the button. Lots of people click this button. Lots. So what happens next? This is a brand discovery moment. Here we feature different stores that are part of the GoodCarts network. Mind you, not the store you just came from. People pick one exclusive discount that they've earned. So in this case, let's pick the Women's Bean Project. You put in your email to retrieve your offer. And you can also copy the code and go straight to the store. Let's go to the store. You can use that code as you check out after you've selected items. That's it. That's how easy GoodCarts is. Now we also send an email with the code to your new potential customer, your brand new customer who picked just your offer from all the other choices. Now if you need to explain GoodCarts to someone on your team, we are a digital version of coupons on the back of the receipt. And it works. All the stores on the back of the virtual receipt are all sending traffic to the coupon page. Our technology and our approach is unique, and it's radically simple for you and your customers. Our mission is vital. We are focused on sustainable and shop-for-goods stores. GoodCarts is all about boosting impact via retail. So why join GoodCarts? Well, number one, it's all about accessing free traffic to gain new customers. We have values-based conscious shoppers with their credit cards still out in a shopping mood. They're ready to go. GoodCarts is free. Period. Free. Free to join. Free coupon views. People collect coupons from your store for free. That results in free web visitors to your store. Your job is to convert them with your amazing products. And most importantly, for purpose-driven retailers committed to impact and sustainability, you're getting a new customer 100% free with no commissions. Sound radical? It is. As we connect thousands of impact retailers, we will add bonus optional services, but your core benefit of being part of GoodCarts, new paying customers from cross-promotion, is free. There's no lock-in either. You're free to leave. And if your discount works too well, you can always adjust it. We're out recruiting thousands of shop-for-goods stores of all sizes for circles of stores all around the world. Today, we're starting with stores that ship to the United States. So are you interested? If yes, just install our easy-to-use Shopify app or visit our website to join with other platforms. It takes just a few minutes to get started by creating your coupon, and that's it. So join us at goodcarts.co today.